Derben ngagi most awaited camera the hitch me. So the one that is with me is DJI Osmo Pocket 4 creator combo. So without further ado, let's unbox it. Let's do it now. The one that is with me is creator combo. So it's the most value for money combo, because with this combo you will get a mini tripod and a DJI Mic 3 transmitter with it. That's why I chose it. So let's open it. Wow, this is the DJI stickers and some paperwork which have never been used. This is the QR code for the app, for the DJI Memo app. So in the creator combo you get a carrying pouch, and this is the main camera. I'm opening it right now for the first time. So let's get it. This is the main carry bag. Got the nice texture and nice built-in quality. So this is just for the main camera in case you are traveling and you just want to carry the camera only. Then this carry pouch, it's much lighter but not that protective. Okay, now here's the real deal. Let me tell you, inside you get the main camera. Let's keep it here for a while. Then comes the DJI Mic 3. Then this is the extendable holder which you can connect it. Then these are the magnet for the mic, so that you can clip it on your shirt. And this is the mini tripod. And here comes the guard for the mic. It comes in black, solid black, and some mixed in black and white. Then I guess this is the fill light. So one thing that is different from DJI Pocket 3 creator combo is that in this combo, in DJI Pocket 4, you get a fill light that you can attach it to the main camera from behind, and it will come very handy if you shoot most of the time in low light situations, like during the night, during nightlife videos. This will come in handy. And lastly, okay, this is the wide angle lens which you can snap it on the main camera and make your camera angle little bit wider than the normal one. And what do we have here? Okay, this is the magnet charger for the Mic 3, and this is the wrist strap that you can strap it with the main camera. So whenever you shoot in outdoor situations, like even if your camera slips from your hand, it can be saved from falling in the hard ground. And lastly, this is the type C to type C cable for charging, to charge your main camera. Okay, that's it. This is all. You can fit it in the main camera box, carry box. So there are various compartments where you can put in the different accessories of the camera, main camera including. So I will prefer carrying this around than this one, because this one, although very beautifully designed, it got a less compartment and very not safe. If it falls on the ground, then not much safe. So I will prefer carrying this bag over this one. Now let's look into each parts individually and see and experienced everything. For me personally, it is happening for the very first time, so my unboxing won't be that perfect as you have seen in other unboxing videos, but I'm trying my best to show it in a beautiful way. Okay, let's start it. So for a while, let's park all these items here in the side so that we can assure welcome to the new camera. Let's go. So this is it. This is the main camera. So this clamp over here, it is for to protect the mechanical gimbal out here. So in Pocket 3, the clamp that protects the gimbal is bigger than this one, but I've seen in many videos that people prefer this one over the one that we get in Pocket 3. Okay, to open this, we just need to turn it around, pull it forward, and in this way the gimbal is unlocked. So you can remove this also, like this, and out, and like this, and out, like this, and out. So to turn on the camera, we can either press it from here, or we can just flip the screen to the left, and the camera goes like this. And since I'm opening it for the first time and the camera is brand new, the camera itself has to be set up, so I will be doing it later on. So for now, let's turn off the camera back again. And this mini tripod, it is very important for solo travelers or solo bloggers, because you can place it anywhere and you can just leave it there and you don't have to worry about its stability. So this thing, you cannot directly connect to the main camera. For you to use the mini tripod, you have to first attach the extendable hand holder to it, then only you can attach the tripod. So for that, you need to have this, the extendable hand holder. So this also, let's open this one. So for you to use this one, you need to first click it. There's a Type-C charger. You can charge your main camera from here, as well as if you're using or if you have attached the extendable holder, you can first connect it and then later on you can charge it from the back. There's a Type-C charging port from the back. You can charge it from there. Then only you can connect the mini tripod. And this is how it looks set up. Very handy. Okay, then now let's look into the DJI Mic 3. Along with the creator combo, you will get only one receiver, one DJI Mic 3 receiver. This is the mic. And for mic accessories, you get a clip along with magnet. See, the magnet here is very strong, So you can clip your mic 3 to a clip, and you can connect it to a to your shirt like this and leave it there. Or either you can remove the clip, and if you can keep this magnet inside the shirt, and you can attach your DJI mic 3 from the outside, and you can snap it together. You don't have to worry about it falling, because the magnet here is very strong and very sturdy. See, it's very difficult to take it off also. So this is how you can use the mic. And along with the mic, in the creator combo, you can attach this wind guard also. It comes in 2 color. One is shiny black wind guard or windshield, and you can snap it like this. There is a magnet here also, so you don't have to worry about losing it. You can attach it like this, like this. So this is the mic 3. Okay, I forgot to mention about this one. This is the fill light. You can connect it like this from here. This is the main back of the camera, so you can attach it like this. So when you open it, open your camera like this, you can always have your fill light pointed towards you. So since the camera right now is not set up, it's showing like this. So this is it, guys. Okay, I forgot to mention about the white lens. So here is the white lens. This white lens you can attach to your main camera like this. Snap and it goes boom. So with this you can have a wider field of view, around 0.65 something. So in any way, if you want a wider shot, you can use this part also. And now you have the charger for the mic 3. So in the bottom you can see some charging connections. You can just snap it like this, and the other point is a type C, and then you have the main charger for the camera, which is a type C to type C. So that's it, guys. That's it for the unboxing. And this is a wrist strap. You can strap it to your camera, main camera here. You can strap it here, and while vlogging you can keep it here like this. So even if the camera slips from your hand, you don't have to worry about it hitting the ground, right? So the next video will be on the first video from DJI Pocket 4. So this is it, guys. Thank you. So if you like the video, me unboxing the camera, please don't forget to give a like, comment what you feel about the unboxing video, and don't forget to subscribe and share it to your friends also. Thank you. Stay safe and happy. This is it.